Hello judges, this is our project that is basically our web portal version of our idea and its name is MediMate. MediMate is basically a smart and reliable AI powered medical assistant designed to make healthcare and guidance faster and more accessible. This is the home page, and the other features are you can quickly find essential medical information, get instant health advice, and connect with AI driven assistants all in just a few clicks. Here are what our platform is provide. We provide quick symptoms analysis, like you can describe your symptoms and let our AI guide you. Also, we have provided 24/7 hours medical assistance response at any time, anywhere. Also, we can track our health record and reliable and health insights that is trusted by sources for accurate information. And this is the remaining part of our home page. Now let's move to the our AI agent that is based on DeepSeek and AI ML APIs. So for that I am clicking here Ask AI Assistant. This intelligent assistant is here to help you understand symptoms, suggest possible causes, and guide you on the next steps, all in natural and human-like conversation. So this is a very minimal basic UI for our AI agent, and it is accept only medical related queries, and it will not respond to other queries or other questions. So let's analyze few queries and implement it on the AI agent. Like I'm asking what are the symptoms of diabetes, and let's check its response. It is thinking and then give us some answer. Great. And now I'm writing that how should be my routine in diabetes. Okay, it gives some error. Let me ask some non-medical query from this chatbot. And it cannot answer me some irrelevant queries. So this is our quick assistant, and I have added other links of our GenAI application that we have built in Hugging Face Radio and AI ML APIs. You can view their demo in the next part. Thanks.